In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view chats with someone who has blocked you on Snapchat. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. If you try searching for the person who blocked you by using the search bar, you'll notice that your account won't show up. This is normal when someone has blocked you. Since you can't view their profile directly, here's what you can do. Go back to the home screen and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down in the settings until you see the My Data option. Tap on it. This will bring you to a page where you can request to download your account information. On the My Data page, you'll see various data options. To specifically see chat history with someone who blocked you, select only the chat history option, and select any other data you don't need. After doing so, tap Next in the bottom right corner, and then you'll have the options to select a date range. Choose the dates for you when you had chats with the person. Then tap Submit. Snapchat will email you a link to download your data. This process may take some time, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you receive the email, follow the link to access your chat history. And that's it. Now you'll have access to your past chats even with someone who blocked you.